Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create variation listing with Dropdown on eBay. Okay, so if you have like a product with different colors or with different sizes, or you are selling, for example, sport cards, and you want to have like multiple sport cards here so that your customers will be able to choose one of these cards, for example. Now you can do that inside your eBay. Okay, this is very quick, like I said, and easy. Now before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. Now let's get started right now. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on sell in the top, as you can see, top right. And after that, you want to click here. It says create a single listing. Create listing, and click on single listing. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, you want to come up here with a title. Okay, so you want to title your product. Okay, that's exactly, guys, what you need. You just need to come up with a title here. If you have like if you don't know how you can title your product, you can just search here for the product similar to yours that you want to list on your eBay store. Okay, and then see how they title their items and then or the products, and then you can copy their exact title. Okay, that's all I do, because this title, like their title, is proven to work if the product has many sales, okay, on eBay. So I'm going to click on search here, and here if you can see like a related listing from other sellers, you can just click on one of these. If you can select similar or the same product that you want to sell on your eBay, because that will help you just add like the specifications. That's all it does. Okay, it adds their specifications automatically, like the brand name and stuff like that. Now I'm going to click on continue without much, and then here if you are selling, for example, cards or stuff like that, you will ask you for this. But I know most of the time, like most people that are going to watch this video, they will like to like sell things, for example, that doesn't require these steps. Okay, it will take them directly to this page, as you can see here. Okay, okay, so here when it takes you guys to this page, you just need to add here the pictures of the products. And I'm going to add here random pictures that have nothing to do with product. Okay, so after you add here the pictures, as you can see, now to add variations, you just need to scroll down, and here you will find variations. As you can save time and money by listing multiple variations of your item in one multi-quantity fixed price. Now that's all you need to do, guys. You just need to click here on edit, and it will take you guys to this page. Okay, so now as you can see, attributes. Okay, here cable length. For example, you are selling a cable, but automatically by default it says here cable length. I hope I pronounced this correctly. And the color. Now if it's not related to your product, you can just click on this X, remove all of this, and you can add your own. For example, I have a product with different color. Now I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to select here color. Okay, customers will be able to click on color, and then after that you will be able to select which color do you want. Now I have a product, for example, with beige color, black and blue color, and brown color. You can select as many colors. If you don't see here the color, you can also click on create your own, and you can add your color. This applies, like the same applies if you are selling, for example, something that has multiple sizes. You can just click on add here, and you want to search for size. If you cannot find it, you can click on add your own attribute. I hope I pronounced this correctly, and select here size. Okay, and then you want to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to click on save. Okay, you can also add size and color. If you have like a product with multiple sizes and multiple colors, you can do that. But for now, I only have products with different colors. Now, like I said, I have like 4 different colors. Now, after you are done, click on continue. Okay, so after that, you want to then come up with a price for each color. If each color has the exact same price, then you just need to click here or enter price. As you can see, you can click on select all. It will select all different variations, and click on enter price. And I'm going to add $20 for each color, because they have the exact same price. Okay, you can also change the price based on the color or the size, or if you are selling, like I said, cards, you can just change the color for each variant. For example, blue color, I'm going to sell it for $30. Okay, you can also here change the quantity. As you can see here, if you have like more quantity with, for example, beige color or black color, you can change it. Here it says 1, you can change it to any quantity you want. Okay, here you can also add a different picture for each variant. If you click here on color, if you have like colors for each variant, here for example you have blue color, you have taken a picture of your blue product and black product, you can add these pictures so that when customers select, for example, blue, it will show them the blue color, how it looks like. Okay, so here it says here beige, you want to add here the beige color, and here it says here black. If you click on black, you want to add the black color, and here blue, you want to add here the blue color, and the brown, you want to add the brown color. That's all you need to do, guys. This is very simple. And then after that, you want to click on save and continue. And here you just need to add here your own description. You can also use the AI description. It's a new technology. Like eBay is like everyone now, every company is partnering with I don't know how to pronounce it. Partnering with this ChatGPT new technology. Now you just need to use here AI description if you want. Okay, you can just click on AI description, and it will write here a description for your product, as you can see, based on your title. Like the AI technology will just see the title and create a description around your title. Okay, so here you can also add, for example, like shipping policy and stuff like that, that you normally do with your single products. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.